HP 61 black ink cartridge works with printer series. DeskJet 1000, 1010, 1050, 1510, 2050, 2510, 2540, 3000, 3050, 3510, MB 4500, 5530, OfficeJet 2620, 4630. Tired of streaky prints and unreliable refills? It's time to switch to the HP 61 Black Original Ink Cartridge. Made for smooth, professional printing at home or work. The HP 61 Black Cartridge is compatible with a wide range of printers, including DeskJet 2540, 3050, 1510, MB 4500, 5530, and OfficeJet 2620, 4630. If you use one of these, this is the ink you can trust. Crisp black text for documents, schoolwork, and forms. Reliable page yield, around 190 pages. Fade-resistant ink for long-lasting prints. HP quality ensures no leaks or clogging. Easy to install, just click it in and print. Let's print a test page. Just look at that. Every line is sharp, every letter is bold. Perfect for home office, school, or business use. With genuine HP ink, you protect your printer from damage caused by low-quality refills. You get consistent quality and peace of mind with every page. Get your HP 61 Black Ink Cartridge.